if you want to know how to fix Snapchat messages not showing, you've come to the right place. So if you'll open Snapchat and I'll go to chat folder, as you can see, I can easily open all the conversations to view all messages. Basically, I don't have a lot of them, but we can easily find that everything is working, all the snaps are delivered. So how can you do the same? Follow the steps I'll show in this video. Firstly, we need to open App Store or Google Play and then just search for Snapchat right up here. And make sure that you have a latest version, so you have no update or upgrade buttons, only open. Because sometimes Snapchat doesn't support any old versions and features like messages are not available for them. The next thing you need to do is just to check your internet connection through Wi-Fi or mobile data, because you don't have them, you won't be able to view any messages on your Snapchat. Then we need to go to settings. On the iPhone it looks like this, on the Android the navigation could be a little bit different, but we need to scroll down to find the settings with apps and go to Snapchat. Here make sure that background app refresh feature is turned on, it's really important in this case. Then we need to scroll to the upside and go to General, and then just click on iPhone storage. And in a few seconds we'll come to this page where we need to manage all the storage for Snapchat. So we need to wait for a little, it may take a little time, depends on our number of data we have inside of the phone. And we need to open Snapchat settings, so it may take a little time. Open Snapchat and then just click on Offload app right up here. So as you can see, offloading will delete the app but keep its documents and data. So we need to offload app, and after that, instead of offload button, we'll have restore or re-upload. So we need to re-upload it once more. And after that, probably all the problems will be solved and you'll be able to view messages. But if it's not, go to your profile page and now click on settings in the right top corner. And then click on basically help. I need help button right up here. And now we need to contact support team. We need to click on basically using Snapchat, the first shortcut here. And then we need to find something suitable as for us. We need to click on my friends, for example. And after that, we'll come to the next page. So open it, yeah. We need to click on viewing friendship profiles, for example. Basically, it doesn't matter, the first line here. And now we need to scroll down and click, was this article helpful? We need to click on no. Now we need to choose any a reason, and we need to click on contact us. It's really important, click on right up here. So after that, we need to click on I found bug and then just click on yes, I need help. Here we need to choose friends, and here we need to click on friends list. So after that, we'll come to this page where we have the option to input our username, email address, mobile number, and what's cool, we need to add description. So here we need to describe our problem. What do we have? For example, we need to write something like this. Hello, my messages are not showing. How can we fix it? I tried all this stuff, but it still doesn't work. And then just click on submit right up here. And in a few hours or maybe 1 or 2 days, the Snapchat support team will receive our message and probably they will help us to fix this problem. So this is a way of how can we fix Snapchat messages not showing problem. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.